Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today, we'll be talking about fiber optic cables and why they are the backbone of secure long-haul data transmission. In today's connected world, governments, financial institutions, hospitals, and corporations rely on moving massive amounts of data across cities, states, and even continents. The question is, how do we keep this information safe? That's where fiber optic cables come in. Unlike traditional copper wiring, fiber optics transmit data using light pulses through hair-thin strands of glass. This technology isn't just faster, it's also much harder to compromise. Why is it so secure? There's no signal leakage. Fiber doesn't emit electromagnetic signals, making it nearly impossible for hackers to tap without being detected. Long-distance reliability. Fiber can carry information over hundreds of miles with minimal signal loss, ensuring sensitive data arrives intact. Tamper resistance. Any attempt to physically tap a fiber line causes noticeable disruptions, alerting network operators immediately. High bandwidth. Fiber supports massive data loads, making it ideal for industries that cannot afford downtime or breaches. From transcontinental communication lines under the ocean to secure government networks, fiber optics provide a trusted, resilient, and future-proof solution for long-haul data transmission. At Comm Systems, we design and install fiber optic networks that keep your information moving quickly and securely, whether across your building or across the nation. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on communication technology. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us at www.dvcsny.com.